Kai's new obstacle course a try.
Go for it, Ryan! Ryan, show us your stuff!
Dive in.
Way to go, Ryan!
Good job.
Thanks, team. Great new obstacle course, Kai. And, have to admit, it wasn't easy.
I bet I can make it look easy. With my little shortcut, that is.
Huh?
Time to conquer Kai's course. Zoe style. Woohoo! Like my shortcut? Huh.
Got a message.
Now I can't finish the course because I'm stuck. Ugh.
Whoa. Okay, attention, A4. Anna, a green anaconda who lives in the Amazon rainforest, is all tangled up and needs help getting home.
Okay, team, we have a job to do. Time to plan. To the fort.
Wait, could you help me first, please?
Here's our destination, A4, the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world.
And look, close to the forest here is a swamp region.
That's where green anacondas often make their homes. There's a good chance that that's where Anna is all tangled up. A very good chance.
It could be hard to land in that forest. The trees are really dense. We may have to use our gliders.
Good idea. Well, there's only one way to find out.
To the Amazon rainforest!
Let's call Air Condor. To the Amazon, Air Condor!
Look, it's the Amazon River.
Anacondas move slowly on land, but are really fast in the water.
And speaking of water, we've got rain clouds ahead, so hang on.
Oh, hey, there's Anna! And Kai, you were right. It's way too difficult to land here. We'll have to jump. Everyone ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
A4,
Take care, A4! And thanks for flying Air Condor!
Oh, A4! I'm so glad to see you. I'd show you around, but I can't move.
Don't worry, Anna. We'll get you free in no time. Fiona, you and I will start with Anna's tail. Zoe and Kai, want to help with Anna's head?
check. Gosh, Anna, how did you get so wrapped up?
Well, I was visiting my cousins, the yellow anacondas.
Yellow anacondas? Are they smaller than green anacondas?
Much. We green anacondas are one of the largest kind of snakes in the world. Anyway, I was having so much fun, I lost track of time. I needed to get back home.
Before it started to rain, right? Look at those nasty rain clouds.
Nah, it rains here all the time, sometimes non-stop. But I love the rain. After all, I am a water snake.
Good point.
You see, I just wanted to get home because I love being in my swamp. But instead of taking my regular path home, I took a shortcut.
I really like taking shortcuts.
I thought I would too. But I took an unfamiliar shortcut, and I got lost. And then this happened. I got all tangled up.
Anna, before you know it, you'll be untangled and on your way home.
Thanks for your help, A4. But one problem. I'm still lost. So, do you think you can help me find my way home to my swamp?
You bet we can, Anna.
Well, the map back at the fort showed a swamp south of the forest. And my compass says the way south is this way.
Oh no! How will we ever get around these fallen trees and boulders?
Don't worry, Anna. We're the A4. We'll find a way.
So, what's the plan? This is working great, guys! I'm almost at the top of this boulder. But, there's something I need to tell you. Only I can't think of it. Oh, now I remember! I'm afraid of heights! Ah!
Now she tells us. Now remember, Anna, this time keep your eyes closed, no matter what.
It will help with your fear of heights.
Right, eyes shut no matter what.
Well, hello, beautiful butterfly. Achoo!
Incoming!
Eyes shut, no matter what, no matter what.
Anna, are you all right?
Sure. Can I open my eyes now?
Ta-da! This tube will get you right to the other side of the path.
Oh, it's like a tunnel. Here goes. It's small and tight in there. And I just remembered, I also don't like small and tight spaces. Oh, why did I take a shortcut I've never been on before? If only I had slithered along my regular path, I'd be home by now.
Oh, I really hope we can get Anna home soon. Yeah, otherwise we may have trouble getting home ourselves.
Don't worry, everyone. We'll get Anna home. The A4 always has a plan.
Right, but I don't think I can slither my way through all that. So many obstacles.
Obstacles! That's it! If Anna can't slither, maybe she can skateboard. Really? First, we build a ramp. Yeah! Skateboard all set. Okay, Anna, ready? Here goes. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Whee! All right! All right, let's go see Anna.
You made it!
You're home, Anna.
Hi, guys. Oh, it's so good to be home. Wow, did I learn a huge lesson today. I won't be taking any more shortcuts that I've never been on before. Thank you, A4. I couldn't have done any of this without you.
You're welcome.
Anytime.
Just doing our job.
A4's always ready to help, Anna.
And look at that. Hello, sunshine. Perfect for your flight home. Bye-bye, Awesome 4.
Great job, A4. We helped a lost snake get home, and we didn't use a shortcut. It always feels so good to say, we all helped someone today.
Oreganos work together. Oreganos
you sure you want to use your skateboard again?
Sure, I'm sure. Remember what happened last time? I remember, but I also learned something important from Anna. Ah! Woohoo! Yay! Now watch me do this Hannah style. See, guys? I've learned that the best way to get to where you're going is knowing when not to take a shortcut.
Wow!
Go, Zoe! Go, Zoe!